Hello everyone. I'm going to give you a short lesson on how to do a PowerPoint presentation. And I'm actually going to record this in two different parts because this will make like the fourth time I've recorded this and I get almost finished and the program locks up on me for some reason. So I'm going to try doing it in two short versions. Okay, right now I've already went in to PowerPoint and I'm going to choose a blank presentation. Okay, here we have the PowerPoint screen. Right here you have a big slide that you can type in, and over on the left we have small thumbprints. I'm going to create the first slide, and I'm going to do this one about my future career. Click to add subtitle. I'm going to type in my name. Okay, so right now I have created my first slide. Pretty easy, right? Now I want to create a second slide. So I'm going to go up to the Home tab, the Slides grouping, and here we have New Slide, and I'm going to click on the bottom part, and I can choose which layout I want, and I'm going to choose the one in the middle that says Title and Content. And once again, click to add title. My career is going to be teacher. Click to add text. I can type in whatever text I want. And notice that each time I hit the enter key, it gives me a bullet. If I don't want the bullet there, I can backspace. Okay, I want to create another blank slide. Now this time, since I've already chosen the background, I can just go up to the new slide button and click on the top part of it, and it gives me the same background. And now I'm going to type in the subject I want to teach. And now I want one more new slide. Okay, so now I have created 4 slides. I'm going to go in and view what I've created so far. To view the presentation, we go to Slideshow and from Beginning, and then just click your cursor to go from slide to slide. And you can see we easily created a presentation. It's sort of dull looking, so it's on a white background, but I'm going to change that really easily. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of the white background. So I'm going to choose a design template. I'm going to go to the Design tab, and here we have all kinds of themes. You can click on each one and see which one you like best. And then choose the one you like best. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to my name and click on it, and I want my name to have movement or animation on it. And I believe on the assignment sheet, I tell you on the title slide to set it up so your name grows and turns. To do that, we're going to go to the Animations tab, and here we have a bunch of animations. I'm going to click on the down arrow, and it shows me the different ones. The ones that say entrance means when the slide comes on the screen, your item will have animation. The one that says exit means right before the slide goes off the screen, you have animation. And then you have one that just has emphasis when the slide is on the screen. And motion paths we'll look at in a little while. It's best to go through and just try out each one of these and see what the animation is so you'll know which one you like. But I'm going to choose grow and turn. And you probably didn't get to see it grow and turn, so I'm going to go over here and there's a preview button. I'm going to click preview, and you can see what grow and turn looks like. Now we can put animation on anything we put in PowerPoint, so it could be on anything you type, any picture that you put in, any shape you put in, anything like that. Okay, on my next slide, I'm going to put in clip art. Okay, I'm going to go to Insert and Pictures, and if you have pictures on your computer, you can use those, or you can look for stock images. What you really need to do when you start your PowerPoint is go to Google Images, find the pictures that you want to use in your PowerPoint and save them. That's what I've already done. So I'm going to go to My Device and to Pictures where I've saved my pictures. And I'm going to put in pictures I've already saved. I'm going to resize them. We learned to resize in Microsoft Word. Then I'm going to tilt it sideways a little bit. Then I'm going to put in another picture here. Okay, so these are just normal pictures. To show you they're just normal pictures, I'm going to go back and view the PowerPoint again. So I'm going to go to Slideshow, from beginning. There you can see the animation on my name. And there's my pictures. Okay, this time, I'm going to take these pictures and I'm going to add animations to them. We do that the exact same way we added the animations to my name. I'm going to go to Animations. And right here at the different animations, I'm going to choose whichever ones I want. I'm going to make that one swivel. And the other one, you have to click on each picture before you tell it what animation you want. And I'll make this one split. So there I have added animation to non-animated pictures. Okay. This one, let me put in a picture here. Okay, for this one, we are going to take this picture and make it move all over the screen. On the assignment sheet, I tell you to make a picture move all over the screen with the pen. So that's what I'm going to show now. To do that, once again, I have to click on the picture so it has the box around it. And then I'm going to go up to Animations. And this time, I'm going to come down here to the bottom to Motion Paths. And I'm going to choose Custom Path. A custom path will let me take my mouse, click, hold, and drag, and make my movement wherever I want it to be. So I'm going to click on Custom Path. I'm going to put my cursor next to my picture, click, hold, and drag, and it's drawing a line to where this picture is going to go. And I'm just going to have my picture go everywhere. And now when I stop and I double click my cursor, you'll see the movement. Okay, you didn't see it, but that's okay. I'm going to come up here to the top left, and I'm going to click on the preview button, and it will show my movement. And there it is. If I want to slow it down, I can go over to the right, up in the timing group, and it's currently on 2 seconds. I'm going to slow it down and put it on 5 seconds. And now I want to come over here and preview it again. And there it does go slower. Okay, so that's how you can take any picture you want and make it go wherever you want on your screen. Okay, also on the assignment sheet, I tell you to go online and find some pictures that are automatically animated. Okay, so I'm going to go online and I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in free animated GIFs, GIFs. GIFs, that is the file type that I'm looking for. And I could look for other file types, but I'm just going to type in GIFs. I typed in fee instead of free, but that's okay. It recognized what I was doing. One thing I've discovered, when you find all the different websites with free animated pictures, some of the sites are really good and have great pictures. Some of them not so great pictures. So you just have to sort of experiment with each site and find which ones that you like. I'm going to keep this presentation very simple, so I'm just going to use the first ones that Google found for me. So right here, got a smiley face. And this one shows animations on the hearts. Now, sometimes when you find them, it will show you a preview of the animation, and sometimes it doesn't. Also, some of these sites will say the pictures are animated, but then when you put them in PowerPoint, you'll find that some of the pictures aren't animated. So you might have to do some experimenting with it. But I'm going to save this picture to my computer. So I'm going to right-click and choose Save Image As. And I'm going to choose it, save it as smiley face. And then I would go through, find any other pictures that I want. and I could save them. And when you save it, notice it is saving as a GIF file. Other files will work. Okay, now I'm going to go back in to PowerPoint. Okay, education needed. What I should have done was look for pictures related to education, but we're just doing this as a quick demo, so I didn't. So I'm going to go into this device, and I'm going to put in my animated pictures. And I already have some saved on my computer that I'm grabbing. Okay, and these pictures, it is showing the animation on PowerPoint right now. However, most of the time you don't see the animation until you go in and you view your presentation, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go back to slideshow from beginning. And I'm going to click my cursor to change from slide to slide. And here I'm going to stop so I can see the animations. Okay, and I'm going to stop right here, and I will return with part 2, just in case my program decides to crash again. And we will continue.